is take the idle screw, which is right here. This adjusts the idle at which it idles, so it makes it higher or lower. Screwing it to the right 2 times will make it idle higher, okay? That's the first thing they want you to do in the Daytona manual. This isn't the YCF manual, this is the Daytona manual. And then they want you to click the choke up, which is on the opposite side of the carb, right? So that's what you do there. Then you're gonna move up to the handlebars, right there, left side, same as the choke, and you're gonna make sure it's on the run position, okay? And then you're gonna make sure you don't have one of those in the tailpipe. Take that out. So now that we've done those things, right, now we're ready to kick the motorcycle. I don't recommend shoes like these because it will kick back, but let's just see if I could get it started real quick. So remember, we did all that stuff. Now it says it wants us to get it to where it's at the high compression, right? So I'm feeling a little, they want you to start at the top. Do that. So that's at top dead center when you kick it a full stroke. And then the choke's off now. Now we can adjust our idle screw. And that's how to properly start the YCF.